Welcome back to Terrible at Fishing. Well, I've got a little unboxing to do about a deal I just posted that you just got to take care of. So let's watch my funny intro. All right. It's my word whisker. All right. All right. We'll work on it. I'm trying to not say the UM. So, CPF Lures. I told you about this deal. $2 for a package of CPM lures. $1.99. You really need to take advantage of that as long as he's putting them out. Chuck is. It stands for Chuck Pippin Fishing. And for $1.99, yeah, these are the 5-inch wobbler swim bait, and it's green pumpkin, or it's watermelon with red flake on it. I took my green screen off so you guys can see it. Really nice, workable tail. It's got a lot of movement. This is a really good trailer to put on a jig. Really good trailer, and the Ned rigs are going really, really well. Now I've got a green pumpkin is doing really well, so I bought 3 packages of the green pumpkin. And he sort of, he's got these like bumps on it, sort of like the turds that you see. It's got good movement to it. $1.99 for 8 of these things. I mean, come on, guys. So this is his crawdad, sort of half and half. It's a laminate split shot. So really nice. So you've got sort of that orange on one side, and then you got black flake and green pumpkin on the other. On that one. What else I got? I got fun stuff. Oh, orange swirl. Orange swirl. This is orange swirl. Basically what we just saw in this, swirl it together. Oh, this is actually, no, that's not. This is actually one of my favorites. It's called Green Pumpkin Red Dawn. This is one of my favorites. I catch a lot of stuff on that. And I thought I would try this one, Morning Dawn. It's blue, white, and purple. Anyway, very cool looking, huh? So I got that. And then Green Pumpkin Red Dawn. Yeah, I got that. You saw that already. Oh, and this one. Oh, this is a good one. This is Black Red Flake Watermelon Red. I would just buy them for $1.99. I mean, come on. Look at that. I mean, it's just pretty. And they last. They're really good. So this is CPFLures.com. Right there. See, CPFLures.com. And for $1.99 per package, I don't know. It's a fantastic fall transition bait. So go online, order up. I mean, lucky number 13 packages here. So what did I get? 13 times 8 is 104. I got 104 baits for $2 per 8. $1.99 per 8. Anyway, that is just about as sweet as it gets. So I would tell you to jump on CPF Lures, take advantage of this great deal right now, and go out there and fish. As soon as I'm healthy, I'll be out there fishing. Take care, everybody.